iFlow Float Control Valve. It prevents overflow, reduces water hammer, and performs reliably even under variable pressure. Each valve is tested for precise shut-off and flow control. In our factory, every valve is manufactured to the highest standards. From casting to pressure testing, we ensure every unit meets ISO 9001 quality requirements. This is where sales, support, and engineering teams work together to serve customers in more than 50 countries.
United Kingdom, UAE, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and widely used in projects such as Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, Shangri-La Hotel, Kerry Center, Petrobras, GE Workshop. Service, quality is our core competitiveness. To create value to customers is our greatest wealth. What can we do for you? How can we do better? We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
Choose iFlow for reliable, tested valve solutions. Subscribe now and visit iflowvalve.com to learn more or request a quote.